Here comes the trash truck. Let's see if we can get... Well, it's not the trash truck, it's just another truck, but Benji still loves to chase it. He thinks it's going to run up there, so he always tries to beat it up to the other end of the yard. But this one's not. The trash truck, they're just dropping something off next door. He doesn't know it's not the other truck, I guess. He doesn't understand why it's taken so long. Right now he's waiting by the truck that's dropping off the porta potties next door for the house building. He's waiting for them to go back up the street so he can run. Okay, here comes the truck. Let's see if he sees it. Oh, he's on the way over there already. I don't know what I did. I fogged up the video now, so you can't really see very well. I don't know what I did, how I messed it up.